guys, good morning. How are we today? So today is Wednesday. Right now it is 10 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 7 something. I've been cleaning and y'all hadn't vlogged in so long, but we're back. I have my planner. I actually did plan my day out today. I am a little behind on my schedule as far as, say which way to go. I am a little behind on my schedule as far as what I actually had planned to do for today. Today is Wednesday. I have everything written down that I had planned to do today to kind of keep me on schedule, because I do have a problem with staying on schedule sometimes. So I wrote everything down, and hopefully I will be able to do all of these things within a timely manner today. So I'm going to finish drinking my coffee. While I'm drinking my coffee, I am just going to put my clothes in the dryer that I washed this morning, and I really want to tackle my front closet today, but nothing, because it needs to be done. So once I get done doing laundry, I will be back, and I do have to get out and run some errands and stuff today, so I will be back. So until then, bye. So this is my little setup right here. This is everything that I'm going to need to start the process. It's not much. It doesn't take much. I'm missing my pencil. I do need to take that out of my kit. But I have my table right here. I have my hair net, my thing right here. This is the hair net. These are just 2 needles for the shading process. I hadn't decided which one I'm actually going to use yet. And then I do have a disposable cape that I'm going to put on here. And yeah, we are just waiting on the person that I'm actually going to practice on to get here, and then we're just going to start the process, you guys. You know, I can't lie, like, oh my god, look at Miss. I can't lie, like, I have prolonged the process because of fear. I can't lie. But the thing about it is, I just have to get in my head. You have to start scared. You have to start to develop any type of success, a skill. Like, I can't get better if I'm not, like, if I'm scared to practice on people, like, but it's gonna be okay. I think today is gonna go very, very well, and I may or may not post the results, but you know, it's a start. So yeah, so I'm just gonna finish setting up, and then we'll be back after I shower and the client is actually here.